All right, so I'm going to be going over the top 3 easiest crypto apps to use for beginners. Now, I've been trading cryptocurrency for the last 7 years, and the apps I'm going to be going over I use on a daily and weekly basis. Now, as we are into this, if you guys could tap the like button on this video, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you want to check out any of these apps and exchanges, I'll have some sign-up bonus and resource links in both the description and comments. Okay, so the first one's going to be my top recommendation. It's Binance US. Now, I've got around $4,700 in my account, so not like a ton of money. You're also going to get to see my account balances on these apps. But as far as like the trading fees go, they've got some of the lowest out there, if not the lowest, other than like Robinhood and Webull, which is like the free, but they don't have a lot of cryptocurrencies. They've also got 60 plus coins you can buy, sell, and trade on here. And honestly, the app is just so user-friendly. It would probably take you maybe 2 or 3 minutes to figure out. I mean, especially if you've never traded before, it's just, super user-friendly. Okay, then we've got Coinbase. Now, Coinbase, I've got a little bit more money in because, I've been kind of building up some long-term positions here. I've got like around 181,000 in my account. But Coinbase has got 60 plus different cryptos you can buy, sell, and trade. It's probably the most well-known crypto trading app right now, I would say, in the US. And it's easy to pull up different charts for coins, making purchases. The downside to using Coinbase is the fees are, kind of high. They're anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5% for buying and selling, which will definitely eat at you. You know what I mean? It's pretty high, honestly. But the nice thing about using Coinbase is that you're automatically going to be enrolled into Coinbase Pro, which is the trading app. So you can move money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. And then if you wanted to move money back from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase, you could obviously do that. So I've got around like 10,000 in my account. I'm actually holding some Engine. Now, the thing about using Coinbase Pro is that it looks very similar to Binance US because it's more of a trading app. The fees on here are a little bit higher than Binance US. It's like 0.5 for buying, 0.5 per selling, but on Binance US, you can get as low as 0.1 to 0.5. So that's why I said Binance US overall is going to be the best if you're going to be, trading crypto a lot. And, I would definitely recommend starting with it. And you could also check out Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Okay, now that we've talked about, the apps for getting started with if you're a beginner, I want to go over 5 coins I would highly recommend right now. Not financial advice, guys, but I do my research on these coins and I do own some of them as well. Now, the first one's going to be Polkadot, aka DOT. Now, this is a software-based cryptocurrency. It's currently in the top 10 coins on CoinMarketCap. It's very similar to Ethereum, right? It's got a lot of the same characteristics, but the price and market cap on it is a lot lower. And honestly, I think we could see Polkadot get up to $100 by the end of 2022. Okay, the next coin here is going to be Uniswap. Now, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange. Currently, it's ranked in like the top 15 on CoinMarketCap. With around a 16 or 17 billion market cap. Now, this coin just is not going to stop. It's another one I could see getting up to $100 a lot sooner than later, so I definitely recommend checking it out. Then we've got the Graph GRT. Now, this has been referred to as the Google of cryptocurrencies because it indexes different blockchains. It's very unique. The project, just keeps going up in price. It hasn't even been around that long. And honestly, if you can get it under $1, I think it's a really good buy to hold on to for both the short and long term. Then we've got SushiSwap. This is another decentralized coin that's similar to Uniswap. It's got a lower market cap. It's got a sushi as its logo, and there's a lot of potential for this coin. I could see it triple or even quadruple in price a lot sooner than later. Okay, and then the last coin, you could actually see that I own some of it on both Binance US and Coinbase Pro, is the Engine coin. Now, this is the #1 gaming cryptocurrency. It's a leader in the NFT space. Hit an all-time high of around $4 at one point this year. And I think anything under 2 on this is definitely a good buy because I could see it going anywhere from 10 to $15, very soon. Okay, anyways, guys, that is going to be it. But, like I said, if you're just getting into crypto right now, maybe a beginner, maybe you're hesitating on it, I would just do it. It's definitely not too late to get in and, getting started. Like I said, Binance US is my top recommendation because the fees are so low. The app's very user-friendly. It's easy to figure out. Then, of course, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, you can't go wrong with either. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Smash like button if you did and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.